Overcoming Jet Lag, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic that many travelers face: overcoming jet lag. Jet lag can be a real challenge, especially when you're traveling across multiple time zones. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand what jet lag is and how you can overcome it. So, let's dive in. Jet lag, also known as time zone change syndrome, occurs when your body's internal clock is out of sync with the time in your new environment. This happens because our bodies operate on a 24-hour cycle, known as the circadian rhythm, which controls when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy. When we travel across time zones, our circadian rhythms need some time to adjust, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, difficulty sleeping, and even digestive issues. Understanding the symptoms of jet lag is key to overcoming it. Common symptoms include fatigue and daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating or functioning at your usual level, sleep problems, such as insomnia or waking up very early, digestive problems, like loss of appetite or irregularity, general malaise, feeling unwell or mood changes. Recognizing these symptoms can help you take proactive steps to minimize their impact on your travel experience. Now that we know what jet lag is and its symptoms, let's talk about how to beat it. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Adjust your schedule before you travel. Gradually adjust your sleeping and eating times to match your destination's time zone a few days before your trip. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight to help prevent dehydration, which can worsen jet lag symptoms. 3. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. These can alter your sleep schedule and make it harder to adjust to the new time zone. 4. Get plenty of sunlight. Natural light can help reset your body's clock. Try to spend time outdoors in the daylight when you arrive at your destination. 5. Try to stay active. Engage in light exercise, like walking or stretching, to help boost your energy levels and improve your sleep. Jet lag can be a nuisance, but with the right strategies, it's definitely something you can overcome. Remember to adjust your schedule before traveling. Stay hydrated, avoid alcohol and caffeine, get sunlight, and stay active. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll have a more comfortable journey on your next trip across time zones. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.